Hi, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I'm here to explain 7C9. Okay, in this case, we're going to subtract integers. Okay, this is also kind of easy. Remember, you can use counters, you can use your number line, or whatever you want to use, or you can use your mind if you are ready to do it. Okay, so in this case, I am going to print the screen, and I am going to open a new board. Okay, so we have -1. So remember that we have two options to solve this, using counters or using the number line. Okay, for example, if we use counters, we know that we start with negative soldiers. I am going to write negative soldiers right here, and we have five positive soldiers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we have this minus symbol. So this minus symbol is going to convert the next army into the opposite army. So if they were positive, now they are going to be negative. Okay, so negative, 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 negative. Okay, so they are not positive anymore. So they are not positive anymore. So we have one negative and five negatives equals six negatives, or -6. Okay, so that is going to be our answer, -6. Or if you want to use your number line, well, let me better write something like this. Okay, and if we start here with a 0, let's say here's 1, 2, 3. Okay, here is -1, -2, -3, -4. Sorry, here they should be negative, 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 -5, and -6. Okay, well, I know that the answer is -6, so I am going to stay there. Okay, so we start in -1. So here's where we start. We start in here, in -1. So the arrow is going to, remember this is 5, now it becomes -5 because of this symbol. So the arrow, because it is negative, has to go to the left. Okay? So the arrow goes to the left 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is -6. Okay, so let's see our answer here. Awesome. Okay, okay, this one is kind of cool. Okay, so let me create a new board. Now we have 1, +1, and remember this negative symbol works as a wizard, and it makes the next army or the next number into the opposite number. Okay, so it was -5, now it is going to be +5. Okay, positive. Okay, let me write here a positive symbol. Okay, so 1 positive and 5 positive equals 6 positive. All right, so we write 6 over here. Okie dokie, how about this one? Okay, so let me screen. Okay, now we have -5. This one is going to convert the next symbol into the opposite, so it's going to convert it into +3. So we have -5 and +3. So which one is bigger? Negative. By how many? By 2. Okay? So the answer is -2. -2. All right. So this one, we're going to do two more, okay? This one and the next one. All right. Let me go get the next board ready. So we have positive 1, and this one is going to make this positive 9 into negative 9. Okay, so 1 positive and 9 negative, they fight, and because the 9 is bigger, so the answer is going to be negative. And the difference, or they win by 8. Okay, so the answer is negative 8. Now, the next one. Let me print the screen. New one. All right. So we have negative 9 minus 7. So this minus makes this 7 into the opposite symbol. Okay, so it is negative 9 and negative 7. So they are the same army, and they get together, and now the answer is negative 16. All right, negative 16. And with this, we have finished. Well, let's do this very last one, okay? Remember that you don't have to watch the whole video. If you understood at the very first one or the very first two, you can stop the video and start with your work. All right. So this is the very last one. And it is going to be like this: negative 3 minus negative 8. So this minus makes this negative 8 into the opposite number, which is positive 8. So negative 3 and positive 8. Which one is bigger? The 8. So it is a positive answer. So what is the difference between 3 and 8? It is 5. Okay? So the answer is positive 5. Remember, we don't need to write the positive symbol. Okay? So we only write 5. Okay? So this is it, and have a great day. Bye-bye.